Hello, my wonderful viewers. Thank you so much for tuning into this channel. For the returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning back. And if you happen to come across this channel, please just remember to subscribe, view, share, and like. So, guys, today I'm back with another breakfast idea. And, guys, I want just to show you how to make cassava, the modern way of making cassava for breakfast. So guys, keep tuned and let's cook. Guys, have you ever seen this? So these are cassavas. I've done a video on how to make cassava, the traditional way of making cassava for breakfast. So guys, today I'm just going to do it the modern way. So guys, keep tuned and just see what I'm going to do. So I'll start just by cutting them. So what you do, you cut them like this. When you cut this, you make a big cut. Then this is what you do. You continue the same way, and I've just placed them in water. So guys, like this one, you can cut it twice. You cut it in the middle. So here in Kenya, guys, as we use cassava for breakfast mostly. So guys, now you see my cassava, there's a thread in between. What you do is to remove them out. We don't need to eat them. Some people prefer removing it after boiling it, but for me, I always feel that it's better. You know, when you're enjoying something, you don't need to get irritated by some small-ish things. So guys, after doing this now, we are going to boil it now. So I'm just going to wash it for the second time and now boil it. Keep tuned, guys. So you can see. So at that point now, I will add some little salt to it. Guys, you put salt so that when it's boiling, the salt can get direct inside the cassava. So keep tuned, guys. Now I'll just place my cassava to cook, and we'll add some water, and make sure you add water that is at the level. So guys, I'll give it about 30 minutes to cook. Keep tuned, guys. Guys, I'm going to give it about 30 minutes to cook, so I'll just cover it and let it cook. So guys, keep tuned. Ingredients that I'm going to use, I've used salt, which I'm not going to use anymore, and I have here the onion powder, I have turmeric, I have paprika. If you like, you can also add some black pepper, and I have all-purpose flour. So I'm just trying to show you how to prepare cassava for breakfast in the modern style. So guys, I have all this purpose flour. I'll just put little of it. I will add paprika to it. I'll add turmeric to it, and the flavor of onion powder. Guys, I'll mix up all this together. The mix is very aromatic. And if you are a person who loves chili, you can use chili powder. But because not everyone at my place is taking chili, I'm not going to add some chili. So guys, make sure you give it a mix. So remember, my cassava is boiling up. See guys, don't make it so dilute, but at least. So there's one thing I've just forgotten about the yeast. Guys, yeast is here. Just not so much, just little, just little. Then mix up everything together now. So guys, this is my mix now. So guys, I'm going to leave it for another 10 minutes. I'll give it time for 10 minutes before. So I'm going to, after boiling, you'll just see what I'm going to do with my cassava. So keep tuned. Guys, my cassava are ready. And I'm just going to take them out now. So guys, meanwhile, my tea is, I'm preparing my tea ready to take my breakfast. So guys, I'll let my oil cook. Cassavas are ready, and now I just want to marinate them. Give it some time after mixing up everything so that they can get compact. So I'm going to do this. So you can either dip them like from here direct to the oil, or you can keep them aside depending on how they are. If there are many, you put them like that. If you want to save time, you can do that. So I'll continue dipping the rest. Wow. Making it, you will just feel like eating it before even it's fully cooked. Guys, this channel, subscribe to this channel which has amazing videos, cooking videos, even for bachelors who do not know how to cook, can really enjoy from this channel. So guys, after this now, I'm going to dip them in oil. Just see. I'm going to take them one by one as I put them inside. So you can see my cassavas are cooking now. So this kind of breakfast, guys, it's very good because it makes you full. If you take this in the morning, guys, with some tea, I'm sure you'll skip lunch. You won't feel like taking lunch. You'll be completely full. So try it out. See how they look. Looks amazing. So yummy. And guys, the aroma that it's giving. Oh, tasting is believing. I only wish you were here to have. It has a very nice aroma of those spices that I used, especially the onion powder. Guys, when you're making this kind of recipe, make sure you use the onion powder. Ready, guys? You can see. So I'm just going to take them out. So this is the modern way of preparing cassava for breakfast. Very, very nice, guys. So you are allowed to repeat the process. So if you want them to be thick that you don't even see any white part in it, guys, you can do it the second. You repeat the same. So I'm going to, for this last bit, I'm going to repeat it and you see the difference. So keep tuned. You can see looking so nice. You wouldn't know that it's cassava. The modern way of making cassava for breakfast, very, very nice. So let me just try it. Before I try it, I just also have a cup of my mug of tea here. That is Kenyan African tea. I love, guys, just look at the color of my tea. That is Kenyan African tea. So I'm going to serve it with my cassava, modern way of making cassava. So guys, just see from inside. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. The aroma of the spices. Mm-hmm. The taste, sorry. So guys, please view this video, like my video, try it out. My main aim is to let you try it out. Enjoy yourself a very, very delicious breakfast. Guys, if you have this in a day, you won't think about taking lunch. Thank you for watching. Let's meet on another video.